Yeah, so like I said, Bitcoin has not changed its stance at all from yesterday. It actually tried to test below, check below like we expected. It bottomed around 37 500 in the afternoon, just after US Open. But he quickly it it got sucked into a like very cross area, uh, and then it remained in that below 38 risky area like we were talking about yesterday. So uh, that that's what I as I said yesterday makes trading Bitcoin really complicated. It's in a tough situation, even though we are very close to a breakout now. As we can see, the fisher is already lined up for us, and if there is a breakout now, we can trade it according to the strategy. But we need to remain open to the possibility that this move is not done yet. What's happening? Yeah. So as we were talking about this, can cause a little bit of a concern on the long term as well. If we are looking at the chart on a broader spectrum, as we looked at yesterday also, the price seems to be stuck in this area of 38,000. It has not really closed above that on a daily scale, and I think that's a pivotal point for the crypto, because unless we see like confirmed breakout of this level, it remains on that gray area of a possible breakout, but being exhausted as well. So that remains a concern, like it was yesterday. It's not really changed from yesterday, just that the inner price action on intraday yesterday USSM was even more cross than naturally is. So it's like we would expect. It's a very similar kind of scenario on Ethereum, but a tad different in way of approach. It created a top, but it's trading a little below that top, so about $100 below that top. So uh, that's why it's a little bit different from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading right at the top, but Ethereum is trading about 5% below that top. And if there is a crackdown, like fall on Bitcoin, that might be more accelerated in Ethereum as well. So our current like Fisher and Super Trend are both bearish on Ethereum, which is not the case in Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have a bullish Fisher now because of the price action in recent times. It's been up and down, so the Fisher is adjusting itself also. But since the movements on Ethereum has mostly been not been that great as to Bitcoin, but that's why it's a lower as well, a little lower as well. So we also had the breakdown on the super trend on a bearish fish yesterday night when the US market opened. So this is the US market open point, and it would have been a pretty interesting short, very short term trade, 1%. Yeah, not much, but yeah, something. In any case, the functional similarity is there. We have a top around 2100, which is similar to the 38,000 barrier on Bitcoin. We need to be watching if for a close above that level on a daily scale, or like, it's even better if it's in a weekly scale, that is tomorrow. It closes above that, or Sunday to be precise, on the spot. So that's pretty much it. We need to be watchful of these margins. So the 2100 to 2120, 2130. So these are the margins we need to be worried about. But since, as you can see, Ethereum is trading quite far down, uh, unlike Bitcoin, which is right at the top. It's not too far, maybe 1% from the recent top. So it's again making a new zone of contraction, which can extend beyond the current time. So the dollar, as I also talked about yesterday, has been stuck. Gold, after the rally, seems exhausted and not ready for the movement up above. The indices all have been stuck for a long time. So that makes it much more difficult for Bitcoin to leap ahead unless there is another outside boost that can propel it. So that's about it, I think. Yeah, let me know if you have questions.